Good morning, dear students. In the chapter number 11, E for Environment, we are going to talk about the waste management. What is the waste management? Let us understand that first. The practice of collecting, treating and disposing waste in order to protect the environment is known as the waste management. Waste we always produce, right? There is no house, there is no place where waste is not generated every day. But how we can dispose that waste, or we can treat that waste so that minimum of the harm could be there for the environment, or we can protect our environment. So that all the things is known as the waste management. In towns and cities, you have seen lot of local agencies that comes to collect your waste from house to house and even from the colonies. So that is how the people from the local agencies take care of the waste, and they used to dispose that waste into a particular place. So there are different types of waste management systems in which the waste can be handled or can be treated. So one of them is the landfills, open dumping, burning and composting. So these four are the major waste management techniques. So if we talk about the landfills, so what is the landfill? Landfill is an important and popular method of waste management or waste disposal, you can say. Landfills are generally in the outskirts of a city or village or a town where the big ditches are dug. बहुत बड़े गड्ढे किए जाते हैं and all the waste is dumped into that. So when these ditches are filled, then they make that, they cover it with the soil, and there we can see the garden or some park. So that is how the waste management is treated in the landfills. Now if we talk about the open dumping. So open dumping is the waste where it is first loaded and then it is taken away from the town or the city and dumped in the open area. So what do you think, it is safe? Yes, it is not safe, because ultimately if it is dumped in the open area, it creates the land pollution, right? But this is one of the popular method, you can say. So disposing waste in the open pollutes the environment, but that is one of the waste management system. Then burning, you have seen people burning the leaves of the dry leaves or something like that. So that is known as the burning of the waste. So in this method, solid waste is collected at one place and then burned at high temperature. So it can be done even in a plant, in a plant where, like factories, right? So chemicals and other poisonous waste are burned in large furnaces. Furnaces is like a big, you can say big oven, right? And incinerators or the furnaces are the big vessels where all the chemicals or the solid waste is there. It gets burnt, but it is also not the good thing. It also creates the air pollution. Now let us come to the composting. So children, we all very much aware about the composting. It is the process of organic waste from in this process the organic waste from the kitchen and the gardens are put into a pit, and then it turns into a compost after few months, you can say, and which is very you can use it as a nutrient for the plants. So compost is used as manure by farmers, and crops which are grown by using natural manure are called organic crops or organic foods. You have known this term in this scenario a lot. What is organic? Organic means anything which is created by the manure, not by the fertilizers or not by the any other harmful chemicals, but they are been created by the composting the waste. So that is what the organic means, organic food, organic crops means, right? Because they are very healthy for the environment and it is free from the chemical fertilizers. Composting is one of the easiest method and I am going to share one video. Dear students, let us know more in E for environment about the waste. So in this, first let us know what is the waste. We have already talked about it, that unwanted material which are thrown away by the people are known as the waste. It is also known as the rubbish, junk, garbage, trash, etc. Then garbage is the waste we produce at homes, including our old or unwanted things, food, chemical substances, furniture which are broken, and used containers and other things. Then we generate huge amount of waste every day. That means that is why we need the waste management system. So what is the waste management? It is the practice of collecting, treating and disposing waste in order to protect the environment. Right? So first of all we collect the waste, then we treat it, then we dispose it, and this is how we can protect the environment, which is known as the waste management. So you can see from the picture, glasses are in the green bin, metals are in the yellow bin, plastic is in the orange bin, and paper is in the blue bin. So this is how we can segregate the waste, and that is how we can dispose it accordingly. Now landfills. Landfills are an important and a popular method of waste disposal, and we know it, right? We have seen lot of garbage outside the cities. When we go to some another city, then we see different sites where these landfills can be found. So these are basically in the outskirts of a city. Then landfills are what? They are the deep ditches which are dug and waste is dumped in them. When ditches are full, they are covered with the soil, and in some places parks, gardens are built over them. So we can have a one example I have taken here, that is the Seven Wonders of the World Park near Sarai Kale Khan in Delhi. So this is one of the park which is on the landfill. Okay, now the second method is the open dumping, in which the waste is first loaded into the truck and then it is thrown away far away from the city and in the open spaces. But it pollutes the environment, right? So this disposing waste in the open pollutes the environment. Now another one is the burning. So in this method, solid waste is collected in one place and then burned at high temperatures. It includes chemicals and poisonous waste which are burned in large furnaces or incinerators. So you can see I have posted one picture of incineration plant where the chemical or the poisonous waste is burnt, right? But this method is also very harmful for the air pollution, creates the air pollution, you can say. Then composting. In this process, organic waste from the kitchens and gardens is put into the pits or bins. Then it turns into the compost, a nutrient-rich food for the plants. So you can see here, this kind of pit is dig out, and then the kitchen waste or the organic waste is put into this compost pit. So these days this method is used by farmers also, and the crops which are grown by using natural manure, that is through compost pit, is known as the organic food. And we are very fond of organic food. We all want chemical free food. So that is why we are going towards the composting nowadays. So composting. In the composting only, the composting is the healthier than the crop which use chemical fertilizers. So the crop which uses chemical fertilizers, they are not so healthy for us. But if they use composting, then they are much healthier for us. Then composting is one of the easiest and the safest method of the waste disposal. So from all of these, composting is the best method or the landfill. Thank you and have a nice day.
This is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Compost.
Daddy Pig is making vegetable soup for lunch.
Daddy, can I help?
Thank you, Peppa. Can you clear away all these vegetable peelings?
Okay.
Stop, Peppa. Vegetable peelings don't go in the normal bin. They go in this brown bin.
Ooh, Nana.
That's right, George. It's a banana skin. And there are onions and carrots and all sorts of fruit and vegetable leftovers in here. Granny and Grandpa will like these.
Do Granny and Grandpa Pig eat potato peelings?
No, Peppa.
They're for Grandpa's garden. They help his plants grow.
Oh.
We can take these round there after lunch.
Oh, goody.
Mummy Pig, Peppa and George are taking the vegetable peelings over to Granny and Grandpa Pig's house.
We're here.
Hooray! Grandpa Pig, Papa Pig, we've got a special present for you.
Ah, vegetable peelings. Fantastic. My garden will like these.
Does your garden eat vegetables?
Oh, no, Peppa. These peelings are for my compost heap.
What's that?
I'll show you. Here it is.
It's a wooden box.
Yes, Peppa, but it's a very clever wooden box. I put these peelings in the top, and then out of the bottom comes lovely rich earth called compost.
How does it do that? Is it a magic box?
Oh, no, Peppa. I've got some little friends that give it some help.
Where?
In here. Look.
Ah, wriggly worms. Wiggle, wiggle.
The worms turn all the fruit and vegetables into compost.
Grandpa, can we find some more wriggly worms for your compost heap?
What a good idea.
Come on, George. Let's find some more wriggly worms. A wriggly worm. Wiggle, wiggle. You're a wiggly worm. You're a wiggly worm. How do you do? I love you. You're a wiggly worm.
Well done.
Be a good wiggly worm and turn it all into compost.
Then I can use the compost to...
I know. You put a seed in the ground, cover it in compost, and it grows into a tree.
Oh, yes, Peppa. And talking of trees, we'd better go and help Granny Pig. She's collecting fruit in the orchard.
What's the orchard?
It's where you find fruit trees. We've had this orchard since I was a little piggy.
Hello, Granny Pig. Candy egg.
Are you going to help me collect some apples?
Yes, Granny. Oh, the apples are too high up.
Don't worry, Peppa. Granny and Grandpa have a little trick to collect the apples.
Everybody hold on to the tree.
On the count of 3, shake the tree as much as you can. 1, 2, 3!
It's raining apples. Granny, can we have an apple, please?
Of course, Peppa.
Delicious.
And can you guess what we do with the apple cores?
Wiggle, wiggle.
That's right, the apple cores go into the compost for the worms.
Clever George.
And clever wriggly worms too.
Thank you, Peppa Pig, for tell us about the composting. Thanks a lot.